everybody. I'm going to be making the new whipped coffee. I'm going to be using a Tupperware power whisk to get it all whisked up. It's going to take just a few minutes because yes, I've already practiced this. But it is so easy to make this coffee, and all you need is instant coffee, and you do 2 tablespoons instant coffee. 2 tablespoons of sugar. 2 tablespoons of hot water. And then we whip. Now, you'll see videos, you can use a hand whisk for this. It's going to take between 6 and 10 minutes. You can use a electric mixer. I pull out my electric mixer once a year around Christmas when I do my holiday baking. So I pulled out this power whisk, which is a newer item to Tupperware, an accessory for our Power Chef, which is really cool. So if you're familiar with our Power Chef, it is a 3-blade system that is basically a countertop food processor. It chops onions, it chops everything. And then it also has a paddle attachment that is great for like mixing cake mixes, things like that. Now I did try the paddle attachment with making this coffee, and you really need to whisk it. So I grabbed the whisk attachment, which is this one that I'm using right now. And you can see after just a few minutes, it really is powering through. Now, you also get a nice arm workout. I did this yesterday and I used my Fitbit hand, so it looked like I ran a marathon by the time I was all done, which was pretty cool. So I've been doing this for less than 3 minutes, and I'm already starting to get it nice and whisked. So it goes a lot faster than using a regular hand whisk. That's for sure. You guys, that's perfect. See those nice stiff peaks in there and how I hold it? It doesn't, I feel like a Dairy Queen. Dip it upside down. It's perfect. So it's been less than 3 minutes and I've got it whipped and ready to go. So I have my cup, and then I've got to add some ice. Now I am using a Tupperware ice tray. If you are not familiar with one of our Tupperware ice trays, absolutely awesome. All you do, it has silicone buttons on the bottom here. You just pop the button and your ice cube pops right out. It works so slick. And filling these is even easier. It actually has a fill line and you fill them sideways. And you can put a cover on so you don't spill. You don't have to do the jiggly walk across your kitchen to get it into the freezer after you've filled it. Some almond milk. Whipped coffee is ready to drink. All right, let's see if I like it. Oh, with the milk, it's really good. I've got a little mess going on, but oh man, this one's for my husband. When you get it with the milk, it is so good. Oh my gosh. That is delicious. Now, I'm not gonna lie, you guys, I tried this with mocha, dumped it all out. It just did not work. I'll probably show you some of those clips because it didn't work. This though is delicious. So the power whisk works perfect. Whisked it up in less than 3 minutes, and you've got a fancy schmancy coffee drink to get you through the afternoon blues. All right, you guys, thanks for tuning in. Take care.